has been $1 billion day for Canada in China. The Prime Minister and his trade delegation striking deal after deal with the Chinese, the largest of which involves a reciprocal currency agreement expected to dramatically boost our exports to China. But amid all the handshakes and the photo ops remains the sensitive issue of human rights and the fate of a Canadian couple imprisoned in China for the last 3 months. Jacques Bourbeau reports.
Honor guards and military bands greeted Prime Minister Stephen Harper as he met with Chinese Premier Li in the Great Hall of the People. Harper is here to talk trade, but the two men also dealt with a thorny diplomatic issue. A Canadian couple, Kevin and Julia Garrett, have been in jail for 3 months, arrested by Chinese police accused of spying. The two leaders discussed the case, but it doesn't sound like they made much progress.
We've discussed the full range of issues in our bilateral relationship in a frank, open and friendly manner.
That as China continues to build a country under the rule of law, we believe that judicial authorities in China should be able to handle cases in accordance with the law.
The discussions were more fruitful when it came to economic matters. The problem for Harper, China is sending far more of these shipping containers to Canada than the other way around. Our trade deficit is more than $30 billion, a number Harper wants to change.
We would like to see Canada's exports to China continue to increase the way that Canada's imports from China have grown.
To help that happen, Harper signed several agreements, including setting up a Chinese currency trading hub in Canada, the first in the Americas. For a Canadian company that designs and manages museums in China, being able to do business using the local currency will pay dividends.
I think it would be a great advantage for companies like ours dealing in China and would also give us a real competitive advantage against other countries that don't have such a center.
Prime Minister Harper also presided over the signing of 20 business deals today worth more than $1 billion. But business groups warn a lot more work needs to be done.
The rest of the world is here looking for opportunities to do business, and we're playing catch-up.
Making up this lost ground won't be easy. Prime Minister Harper is having some success opening up the Chinese market to Canadian companies. But he's not making the same progress when it comes to human rights, like winning the release of the Garretts.